Hello everyone, this is Peter Wu, and today we are going to take the local bus in Kharkiv, and then we will go to the place near the train station. I just dropped my phone on the ground and it becomes like a blue screen, and this is the bus we are going to take. It's like a 2A2E or maybe 302E. And it takes maybe like 38 minutes to 58 minutes to go there. Basically, this is the bus station, and I think it's quite straightforward. It shows the location of the place where we are and also the street name, and then we can just follow the station and then follow the map. Then we will see where we are going next. Next to the bus station, there's an ET-key station that you can buy the ET-Kids cards, and also you can use these ET-Kids cards to take the metro bus and trolley bus and like a light rail and so on. Finally, after waiting for around 30 minutes, our bus comes. It takes so long because the bus here always delay on arrival during winter time. So basically here we arrive on the bus, and then you literally just pay like 10 hryvnias to the bus driver, then they will take you for a trip. And here's the bus inside. Pretty cool. So it's literally you just pay for the driver, and if you are older than 60 years old, then it's free for taking the bus here. And this is like number 2A2E, and you can see the routes for the bus is going from one place to another place. And the working hours is start from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. Here we arrive the place near the train station, and let's go and have a look for this area. As you can see, in front of us is Kharkiv Regional Children's Hospital. In front of us is like a mechanical to fix the car. So you see they have like a jack equipment.